When this one says, what are the zeros of the quadratic function represented on the graph? The zeros, that's where there's two things. One, where it crosses the x-axis, right? And that's called the x-intercept. Two, that occurs when y equals 0. And if you look at the graph, it's right here. So the first one is -3, 0. And the next one is 1, 0. So what is that? So we look at the x value, it's -3, +1. It looks like C, right? -3, 1, or not comma, when x is -3 and x is 1. That's pretty easy. Heck, we might be able